Imagine turning your ideas, your voice, or even your hobbies into a stream of income that works 24/7. This isn't a fantasy. It's exactly what YouTube allows millions to do every single day. And today, we're going to learn step by step how you can start earning money online with YouTube, even if you've never uploaded a single video before. Here's the plan for today's video. First, I'll break down exactly how YouTube pays creators, not just the ad revenue you've heard about, but the hidden income streams that many beginners completely miss. Then, I'll show you how to pick the right niche, even if you're stuck on what topic to start with. We'll cover how to make videos without showing your face, how to grow your channel faster, and how to unlock monetization. And yes, I'll even give you bonus tips on how to make money before you hit that 1000 subscriber milestone. By the end of this video, you have a complete blueprint to turn YouTube into your online income stream. So stick around. That one strategy that could change your entire financial future might just be in the last few minutes of this video. Let's start with the basics. How YouTube actually pays you. Most people think YouTube money comes from ads, and while that's true, it's only one slice of the pie. You've got ad revenues from Google AdSense, sponsorship deals where brands pay you directly, merchandise sales, affiliate marketing links in your description, YouTube channel memberships, super chats during live streams, and even payouts from YouTube Premium members watching your videos. The smartest creators don't rely on just one source. They build multiple streams right inside their channel. This is because if one drops, say your ad rates fall during a slow season, the others keep your income steady. Think of it like building a table. If you only have one leg, ads, your table is wobbly. But if you have 4, 5, 6 legs, your table is stable and profitable. Next, choosing the right niche. Your niche decides two things. 1, the kind of audience you attract. 2, how much advertisers are willing to pay to reach that audience. For example, finance channels often have much higher CPM, that's cost per 1,000 views, than prank or entertainment channels. Tech, businesses, and education also tend to do really well. But here's the thing, you don't pick a niche just for the money. You need to actually enjoy the topic to create contents for months before you see your first big payday. So here's my challenge to you. Pause this video for a second and think. If you had to pick one topic you could talk about for the next year without getting bored, what would it be? Drop it in the comments. Who knows? Your idea might inspire someone else watching this. Now, I know you might be thinking, but I don't want to be on camera. Well, you actually don't have to be. There are numerous YouTube channels making thousands every month without ever showing their face. Here are some ideas. You can do screen recording videos for tutorials, animation or whiteboard explainer videos, slideshow style presentation with voiceover, or even using AI tools to generate visuals. You can use free and affordable tools like CapCut, Canva, and Pixels to generate high-quality content. The secret is this: pair engaging visuals with clear and energetic voiceover, and keep your editing tight so there's no dead air. Remember, people aren't here for you. They are here for the value your video gives them. Alright, So you've got your niche and you've created your first video. Now, what's next? This is where most beginners get stuck. Growth on YouTube isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Here is what works. First, use trending topics in your niche to get discovered faster. Second, optimize your titles and thumbnails. Your thumbnail is your billboard. Make it impossible to ignore. Third, hook viewers in the first 15 seconds. If they are not interested by then, they are gone. And finally, encourage engagement. Ask viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. YouTube's algorithm rewards videos that keep people watching and interacting. Here is a quick one. Think of the last video you watched all the way through. Why did you stay? Now, that's the type of energy you want in your videos. Curiosity, storytelling, and value. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program. That's when ads start bringing in revenue. But don't stop there. Add affiliate links to relevant products in your video descriptions. Every time someone clicks and buys, you get paid. Work with brands for sponsorships. Even small channels can land deals if they have a specific engaged audience. Sell your own products, digital downloads, courses, templates, or even physical merch. This is how your YouTube channel stops being just a hobby and becomes a real online business. Once you've got one income stream working, add another, then another. That's how you scale. Now, here's something most beginners don't know. You don't have to wait to hit 1,000 subscribers to start making money. If you create a video around a product or service and include your affiliate link in the description, you can earn commissions from day one. You can also sell digital products, offer paid shoutouts, or direct people to your own business or service. In fact, I know creators who made their first $50 before they even hit 100 subscribers simply by recommending tools they already used. So start thinking about how you can monetize your content from your very first upload. Know this, YouTube isn't just a platform. It's a launchpad for your ideas, your skills, and your brand. If you start today, stay consistent and focus on delivering value, you can build something that pays you month after month. But here's the truth, nothing will happen if you don't start. So my question to you is, are you going to keep watching other people succeed, or are you going to take a step towards succeeding by launching your own channel today? Please, if you found this video helpful, do well to like, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next video, where I'll share the exact tools and templates to create viral videos, even if you're a complete beginner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.